Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up guest access in the Home app on iOS 18. Start by managing how and when people can access your HomeKit devices like garage openers and door locks requiring a home hub. You can create schedules for guest access and limit the specific accessories they can use. Then enable express mode to unlock doors automatically as you approach with your iPhone or Apple Watch, eliminating the need to tap your device to the lock. To set up a home key, open the Home app on your iPhone, add a supported lock, and choose an unlocking option, express mode for automatic unlocking or requiring Face ID or passcode. Set automations like lock after door closes or lock when leaving home. All residents receive the home key automatically if the lock supports it. For temporary guests, open the Home app, press and hold the lock, tap accessory settings, select manage access, and then add guests. Assign a name, enable access to specific locks, and set an access code. Share the access code by tapping share and choosing a sharing option. You can access the access code or remove the guest at any time. Note that not all compatible locks support access codes. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.